The next part I'd like to cover is the HRA, or the Health Reimbursement Account. The HRA is a tax advantage account that was set up by Bayer for you to reimburse you for eligible health care expenses. You must meet the eligibility requirements of Bayer to qualify for that, which I'll go over in just a minute. And then also, please keep in mind the funds will not be available until January 1 of 2013. So although we're talking about it right now, we're helping you become prepared and understand it. The funds are not available until 1/1/2013. So how do you qualify for the funds, the HRA, from Bayer? You're eligible for the health reimbursement account if Bayer currently helps pay for the cost of your Bayer Group Medicare supplemental plan. And how much is that amount? Well, that depends on the years of service. If you didn't quite catch what Amy went over, we will mail you a cover letter letting you know the amount that you qualify for. Also, the benefit advisors will have this information for you as well if you'd like to talk to them about that. If you and your spouse are both eligible for a health reimbursement account, Extend Health will combine those accounts into one. So if Mr. and Mrs. Jones both qualify for an HRA from Bayer, you will have one account with both of your funds in that one account that you will both have access to. If you and your spouse are both employed by Bayer and you're both eligible for an HRA, then you will both receive the higher amounts of the HRA in your joint account. So if you both were employed by Bayer, you will both receive the higher amounts in one account for the HRA. You will also receive an HRA enrollment kit. The enrollment kit will be mailed out in mid-December. Remember, the funds aren't available until January 1, 2013, so the enrollment kit for your HRA arrives mid-December. The enrollment kit will confirm the amount of HRA funding that you qualify for. It will also describe the eligible expenses. It will let you know of copays or deductibles. It will tell you what you can get reimbursed for. It will include the claim forms and direct deposit request forms so that we can get your money back to you. How does the HRA work? Well, Bayer set aside the amount. They predefine the funding for the HRA, whether that's just for you, the retiree, and your spouse, or if both of you were employees of Bayer. Extend Health, we administer the funds for the HRA. So if you make your premium payment, if you pay a copay, or there's something you want to get reimbursed for, you go to Extend Health. Extend Health, we reimburse the funds to you. There's a couple of options for the way that we can get the money back to you. The first option is a paper claim form. You can fill it out manually, and then you can submit it to Extend Health, and then we will reimburse you either automatically or we will mail you a check. It's up to you. The way it works is, let's say you decided to enroll in a Blue Cross Blue Shield Medigap plan. When you enroll in any plan with Extend Health, you are required to make the premium payment directly to that insurance company. So if you go with a Blue Cross Blue Shield Medigap plan and then a separate drug plan, you will pay those premiums directly to the insurance company. Your plan will go into effect on January 1, and your funds for your HRA will not be available until when? Until January 1 of 2013. Once you make your premium plan payments, then you request the money from Extend Health. Make sure to keep your receipts. If it's for a doctor copay, if it's for your premium, if it's for your prescription drugs, keep those receipts, or at least make copies of those receipts. Don't be like me and lose those. You've made your premium payment, you've made the copay, you've paid the deductible, whatever it is you want to get reimbursed for, then you make that request to Extend Health. You fill out a manual claim form. Those claim forms you will receive in the mail in mid-December in your HRA enrollment kit. The claim form you have to fill out and specify the expense type. Was it a deductible? Was it a copay? Was it a premium payment? And then you have to attach the receipt with some more information about yourself. You send that sheet to Extend Health. We will process that claim form, and once we process that claim form, we will either direct deposit the reimbursement into your checking account, or we will mail you a check. That is up to you on how you want to get reimbursed. The next option we have is the auto reimbursement feature. This is for people that don't like filling out the claim forms. The auto reimbursement feature is only available for premium reimbursements. It is not available for copays. It is not available for prescription reimbursement. It's not available for deductibles, just the premium. How does it work? Let's say that you selected a plan from an insurance company that offers auto reimbursement. Keep in mind, not all insurance companies that we work with offer the auto reimbursement feature. So if this is something that you're looking to have available, make sure you verify with the benefit advisor that the plan you select has this feature. But if you select a plan that offers auto reimbursement, you make your premium payment directly to the insurance company. Now what will happen is that insurance company, when they receive your payment from you, they will notify Extend Health. They will forward that receipt to Extend Health. We will confirm it for the eligibility, and then we process the claim and we actually reimburse you automatically. We reimburse you one of two ways. We either direct deposit the funds into your checking account, or we will mail you a check. Whichever way you want to receive your reimbursement is up to you. You need to specify that with the benefit advisor. The auto reimbursement feature is only available for premiums. Not all insurance companies support it. Due to the timing of the auto reimbursement files, usually auto reimbursement is not the fastest way to get a reimbursement. So if you are on a budget timeline and you need to have the funds back quickly, please keep in mind the auto reimbursement feature may not be the best way for you because it can take a little bit of time to get that money back to you and to get that payment confirmation from the insurance company. Also, please note, you will need to pay your first month's premium for coverage before the HRA is available for reimbursement. Talk to your benefit advisor about the reimbursement methods, and they can help you decide which one works best for you, if it's a manual claim form or if it's the automatic process. Before I wrap things up, I have a few steps I'd like to go over that will make this an easier transition and process for you. The next step we have is to review your Getting Started guide. If you've received that, go over that. Gather your prescription drug information, gather your Medicare information, and gather your doctor's information. And then I have a homework assignment for you. That homework assignment is to call Extend Health. Call the Bayer-specific phone number that I gave you and set up an appointment with a benefit advisor for your enrollment call. When you call that phone number, you'll also provide that benefit advisor with the information that you gathered for your Getting Started guide. Again, that phone number is 888-812-2190. Again, it's 888-812-2190. The last part that I'd like to talk about is a post-enrollment customer service. I just provided you with that toll-free number to call and set up an appointment with the benefit advisor. That phone number is your support. If you have any issues with claims, with appeals, with any network questions, with your carrier, with payments, call Extend Health and let us know. We can help you figure that out. That is what we are here for. We are here for now to help you with this transition, and we are here for you in the future for anything that you might need with your health insurance coverage or your HRA. The plan that you select for 2013, you're typically making that choice for a year, but that does not mean that you're locked into that plan for the rest of your life. If you have any changes to your health or to your prescription drugs, you can call Extend Health, and you have a renewal process every year in the fall that you can change your plan if you like. You can call your benefit advisor in the fall of next year and reevaluate the plan that you're in and make sure that is still the better option for you. The services that we offer are for you for now, but they are ongoing and they will continue to be there for you in the future. We are here for your support, and we are here to make sure that you're comfortable with this transition and that you feel confident with your decision. I'd like to thank everyone for taking the time to learn about these changes. Please do not hesitate to contact Extend Health with any further questions. We are here to make sure this is a smooth and easy transition for you. Thank you, and I hope you all have a great day.